iJustine, and today we are checking out this Yoga Pro 9i laptop. The display is a 14.5-inch touchscreen mini LED. It's incredibly thin, coming in at 16.7 millimeters. It has this new, beautiful tidal teal color and an NVIDIA 4070, all in this super small and compact design. Thanks to Lenovo for partnering with me on this video. Now let's unbox it. Oh, there's another box inside of this box. This is the new tidal teal color too. It's so pretty. Look at that. I like that it's not too overpowering, but it's also like subtle. And now's the fun part, the setup. The first thing you'll notice is how awesome this display is. It's 3K with 165 Hz adaptive refresh rate that gives you sharp, smooth, and high-end color reproduction and accuracy. This is so great for not only watching content on, but if you're working in a field where colors matter, this is key. It's powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor, up to 64 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage. It also has a 75 watt-hour battery with rapid charge and an NVIDIA 4070 for powerful graphics. This can be configured in a 16-inch version as well, but I have recently been trying to minimize my tech footprint, so this 14.5 is perfect for me. I can't even tell you how obsessed with this color I am. Like, it's so beautiful. This new tidal teal color is Lenovo's new signature color, signifying sustainability of their new premium ecosystem of yoga devices. There is a 5-megapixel built-in camera with a webcam privacy shutter. I love that this is becoming something that many laptop manufacturers are including to protect our privacy. As for ports, we have an HDMI 2.1, a full-size SD card reader, one Intel Thunderbolt 4 port, one USB-C, two USB-A, and an audio combo jack port. It also has Lenovo X Power, which is a proprietary custom performance tuning solution that is designed to maximize performance in its ultra-thin design. This gives you a hardware boost plus a software accelerator to speed up software previews, rendering, and exports. Portability is something that is so important for me, but I never want to sacrifice power or battery life for something smaller. I'm at the coffee shop. I'm actually going to edit some of the footage that we've been shooting for this video. The other thing is I didn't even bring a charger because I love how great the battery life is on this. I don't normally edit in Premiere, but I love the fact that this is so powerful that I literally can edit on the go. I'm not even plugged into power, and I still have a ton of battery life left. Also, did I mention how much I love having the SD card reader? So great. I love this new keyboard so much. They did a little redesign of not only the keyboard to give the keys more travel, but they even enlarged the trackpad. Now I really want to test out this camera and the noise canceling microphones, so I'm gonna give my sister a call and see what's up. Let's see if she answers. I'm scared. We just got back from traveling, so I know she's exhausted.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, are you back in the office now?
Back in the office, yeah. Well, no, I'm about to go work out.
Okay, yeah, I just saw you're out of office and I was like, well, we need to have a very important meeting.
Yeah, well, back in office for this 2:50 p.m. meeting, and then I gotta go work out.
Are we recording the podcast later?
Yeah, but the most important question is, do you think we're gonna get dinner after the podcast?
Yes.
Or
yes.
Eat dinner?
Yes, I really want a salmon salad, so I think maybe we order from that place that I always get a salmon salad from.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. We're eating on the podcast?
We could. I mean, we don't have to.
No.
Okay, no. So now I'm gonna test out a processor-intensive game to see how it runs, and I also love that I can connect a controller to this. I'm not gonna lie, I like playing with a controller, so feel free to judge. I don't care. I'm gonna play how I wanna play. We're witnessing something that could be life-changing right now. If this plays well. Like right now, when I travel, I carry 2 laptops. I carry one specifically for gaming and then one for work. This could literally change my life. Hello. Oh gosh, this is running so good. Not gonna lie, this is actually running better than some higher end gaming laptops that I have that are specifically made for gaming. And I'm freaking fast, dude. I'm so happy right now. So I've been having so much fun with this laptop so far. Like, it's honestly so impressive how small it is and how much I can actually do on this. Right now, I'm working on some Lightroom edits with all of these photos that I have. This was from a shoot with my iJustine pink cables. So we have a ton of these photos. So let's just do a quick little edit to show you how responsive it is. Here we go, editing some highlights, up those shadows. Turn down the lights, exposure, there we go. Look at that, you're looking good. Now, Lightroom can definitely be processor intensive depending upon the type of photos that you have. So obviously these are all raw photos and it's happening pretty quickly. So I'm definitely impressed. The other thing that I do a ton of, and I'm sure I'm not alone, is just doing executive work, like checking my email, writing scripts, paying bills, doing all of those things. So having something where I can just do the most basic tasks possible, but also if I need to hop in, edit a photo, edit a video, I can do that as well. So far, I've absolutely loved testing out this laptop, and I do test out so many here on my channel, and it's been a while since I've been this impressed. I also really love the display. It is a touchscreen, which I feel like now there shouldn't be a computer that isn't a touch display. There's just something about being able to just quickly tap if you want to do something or interact with your device, and I really, really like that. The display is also very crystal clear. Like even just watching content on here, it all just looks really great. Again, this is the 14.5-inch version, so they do have a 16-inch display, but this 14-inch, especially for me, is such a perfect size. Do you hear those speakers? I mean, it's hard for you guys to hear it because you're hearing me watching a video of you watching a video of me watching a video of trying to, you know what I mean. So this is my own video, so I know what it should sound like.
So now that we're inside, this thing is so spacious, and that was one of the things I was most excited about. And it gives you suggestions of where you should charge, depending upon how many chargers are along the way.
Oh yeah, this is up at 100%. And this is at 34%, which is probably where I would normally have it. Sounds pretty good. I'm the kind of person that loves to edit with computer speakers. I don't like wearing headphones. I like to edit just on a device. I don't know. I'm not sure why, but that's what I like. So I'm definitely glad to know that these speakers sound really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was such a fun video and I am so excited about this device. Not only is it super powerful, but I can't get over this color. I actually was getting so many compliments when I was out and about. I didn't make it, but I wish I did. Anyway, if you guys would like to get more information about this device, I will put a link in the description. I look forward to seeing what you guys think of this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.